everybody, London here, and today, before we start the video, I want to give a big thank you to everyone who supported the Clay Kings. First up, Tefla and Aiden, the Griffith family, Francesca, and Sophia. Thank you all for so much for buying the clay, and supporting the Clay Kings means a lot to us. But today, we're gonna try something different. So now I'm gonna be doing how to make Sonic the Hedgehog big head figures of modern Sonic. I might do classic Sonic as well, but for right now I'm starting with modern. So now, for all of you who are wondering how did I make it shiny with this from Plaid Mod Podge. It's easy to do, but first I'll show you how to make the figure. So, without further ado, welcome to my review on how to make a big head Sonic figure. And so, let's start getting into the figure. First we'll start off with the body, and we need these two dark blues. Alright, first let's start. So you take it out of the bag, and then you roll it into a ball. Just make sure there are no lines, otherwise it'll break and crack. So make sure that doesn't happen. Then turn it into an oval. And so that's how you make the body. Next up, we'll do the face. You need some white, and how I make Sonic's eyes is easy. I just take the white, roll it around, then flatten it. Oh, good. And then flatten it. Make it look a little angry. But then you do this. Next up, you put them right here. I'll add a brow ridge in a few minutes, but let's just get onto the mouth. Here's what it looks like with the eyes. So here we go. Now for the parts. Hit the green eyes. So first you take two pieces of green, roll them around like this. Then you separate them, turn them into an oval shape, and then push it down. And add it to the figure. And that's what it looks like. And so, now that we're done with the eyes, let's get into the mouth. So for his mouth, I recommend using this color. It's tan. Well, not that much of tan, but if there's another color that you might use instead of this one, I'd say this one. So you take it, this color, and roll it around. You just squish it, and there you go. Now you add it to the figure very, very gently. And there you go. Now, if you want to make his smirk, before I'm gonna add some black clay, but first then you do this. And now let's add some black. Now if you don't want to add this is fine, but I'm just gonna add it so you guys could actually see the mouth for those who can't. you make it black and you put it right here, right next to it. And this is a little bit bigger for the piece, but then again I had to make it big head, so I had no choice. So now let's get into the nose. You use black again, but this is how you make the black. Right here. So here you go. And that's how you make the face. For stomach, this is how you make it. I haven't made it on the original, so I don't think I should make it here. But then again, having a stomach to Sonic is accurate. It's like an oval shape like this. Then you attach it onto the body right here. Just one more little touch to the eyes. Add these little black parts to Sonic's eyes. And also white. Just a small little white. Here you go. And that's what it looks like when you use white for the eyes. Now it may just look like an Easter egg, but that's fine in my opinion because it's a big head one. So let's move on to the back on how to make the body. Let's first start off with the arms. Now there's no arm movement, since these are just clay figures, but this is how you can do it. And here, so use this to attach the arms. Here you go. That's the arm. Here you go. And that's the arm. Also goes for this one. So to make his arms, his hands actually, this is how you do it. You have to get some, and you put two pieces of white together, and after doing this, and when you actually roll it, this is how you put it together. Voila. Now this is actually how you make his hands. This is his thumb very closely. You can't see it closely, but you might just want to look up. Well, I'll try. So pronto, here we go. Do the same thing on the other arm, make two lines, and then put it together. So, and here you go. You have to carve the finger with the knife. And to make the fingers more visible, this is what you do. Here you go. And so let's get into his features, such as his ears. Now, this is how you make Sonic's ears. So this is how you make Sonic's ears. You flatten it on the ground, roll it all around, but now you have to poke this into here. And you add this in here. And you add the ears. And here it goes. So for the second ear, you do the same thing. You push it down. Use this tool, poke a hole, and then put the cyan piece in it. And those are Sonic's ears. So let's move on. Here are the legs. So this is how you do it. You take the leg, make it straight, squish it on the floor, and then you add this. Now this is how you make Sonic's legs. Yeah. Now let's make his shoes. And with all this said, let's begin his back. Then we'll get into his shoes. So this is how you make his first spike. I'll add the brow ridge in a few minutes, but for right now, let's start with the quills. As you can see, he has a big long quill right here. I don't think it's this long, but then again, it's Big Head Sonic, so yeah. For his tail, I recommend making it long if you want him to stand. Just not too long. You attach it onto the figure like this, and then this is how you work. And well, now let's get into his back spikes. So first, you add it on to here like this. Alright. Now, for his socks, I recommend turning them into circles. The same goes for his other one. Alright. Here's the next spike. So I put his quills kind of next together, and you add this one right here. Now this is just small quills, so yeah. And that's how you make it. All Sonic spikes. But that's enough quills. Let's move on to the shoes. So I prefer using red, taking it apart, making red, and turning it into this shape. And for to make the gray, this is something you have to do. Mix black and white together until it turns into gray. that's when you use it. So this is how you make the bottom of the shoe. You make the white part out of this. And so you do the same thing with the other shoe. Make the same shape. Squish it on the floor. Well, on the table. And make it the same pattern as always. And this is how you make your very own Sonic shoe. And that's my review on how to make the big head Sonic figure. Now if you want him to stand, here's the only thing. You have to bend him a little. But however, we're not done yet, as now we're going to use the Mod Podge. And this is how, well, I'm not going to be using him because he's already new. So you have to wait for him to be dry overnight. So I'm just going to show you a quick way how to use Mod Podge on the figure. Though there's one thing I have to recommend. Do not use a lot. You spread it all around, each piece by piece. On the ears, on the mouth, and on the eyes. This is what makes it really shiny. It's like using paint, except to make it sparkly. And so, that's how you use the Mod Podge. Thank you everybody so much for watching our video. Make sure to buy a clay pack from our website, which we'll link in the description below. Thank you all so much for watching, and more things will be coming soon. I am London, and I will see you next time.